I'm going to quickly show you how to remove and install a B pillar on a Chrysler 300 or Dodge Charger. This process is similar to other cars as well. I'll leave all the tools in the description below, as well as a detailed step-by-step guide. Grab a power drill with a Torque T50 bit adapter. You'll use the same bit later on a torque wrench to tighten, but when removing, use a breaker bar or a ratchet wrench. In addition, you'll need a screwdriver, preferably with a magnetic bit tip, a pair of pliers, and not pictured here, you may want to have a soldering iron in case you can't get the screw out. You'll see later. Again, all tools will be in the description below, and let me know in the comments if I missed anything. If this video helps you, please like and subscribe. Now, let's get started. Put your flat tip right here, lightly pry it. There we go. Next, grab a Torque T50 socket with a breaker bar and put it on here. Now, if you can't get this off right away, you can also heat this up with a soldering iron to break loose the thread locker. Let's see if I can get it first. Yep. To remove it faster, you can also use a power drill with a T50 socket. Here we go. That's how it looks. Long bolt. That's that blue thread locker. Like I said, if you can't get it off with ease, heat it up with a soldering iron first. Right there. Heat it up right there. Now you'll see two screws right here. Screw it out. It's good to have a magnetic bit. You can also use the pliers to pull it out. Go ahead and pull this out. There we go. Now there's one more screw right there, as you can see. If you want, you can put a short screwdriver in, or I'll just stick this in through here. Place your hand behind the trim to catch the screw. Go ahead and start pulling it out. There you go. The B pillar is removed. Install. This clip is going to go in there. And then that right there is going to go into that big hole right there. And you're going to do that while pulling this back. Line this up. Okay, lined up. Okay. Pull the lower trim back so you can put the screw in here. If you want, you can tighten it to 22 inch-pounds, not foot-pounds, 22 inch-pounds, or just until it's nice and tight. Push the lower trim in. Put two screws in right there and there. Use a screwdriver with a magnetic bit. Grab your buckle and line it up the screw with the upper seatbelt hole. Tighten by hand at first. Grab your T50 Torx bit and drill. Now put your T50 bit on a torque wrench. Torque it to 30 foot-pounds. Okay, nice and tight. Grab your cover plate. Pop it in, line it up. Easy to do this. Look at the description for all tools needed, and make sure you even have a soldering iron in case the bolt is really stuck. It'll really help me. Some other similar videos you can watch on this channel include removing the A pillar and C pillar, among many other great helpful videos. So, let others know in the comments if you have any helpful feedback for other viewers you'd like to mention. And please like and subscribe. That way you'll learn more about doing car repairs yourself and saving money. Because at the end of the day, that's what it's about, saving your dollars. Because car repair shops are just too damn high. Anyway, thanks for watching.